Hello students, back to the lecture, now the third lecture of linear equation in two variable 10 standard state board. In the last video, we have already studied what is linear equation and how to solve it by the elimination method. Two different type of sums were there which we have not yet solved, and we are going to solve those two different type of sums in this video. And the first one is if the equation is having any denominator, if the equations are having the fractions, how to remove the fraction and solve it further. So here the first equation we have is 1 upon 3x plus y equals to 10 upon 3. Now to remove this upon 3 students, we need to multiply each term of this equation with the same number, and the same number, whatever is the denominator here, if the numbers are not same, if there are different denominators, we would go for LCM student and will multiply the LCM with each term. So here we are multiplying throughout by the same number, that is 3. So multiplying each term by 3, we get this 3 will get cancelled, this 3 will get cancelled, we get x plus 3y equal to 10. We'll mark it as equation number 1. The second equation which we have, and the denominators are 4 and 4, so multiplying each term by 4, when we multiply this upon 4 will get cancelled, we get 8x plus y equals to 11, equation 2. Now students, we got two equation in the standard form without any fractions. Now let us solve it further. Now x, can we eliminate x? No. Why? Because it is not equal. Can we make it equal? Yes. How? By multiplying 8 with each term of equation 1. Y, can we eliminate the another variable y? No. Why? Again, it is not equal. Can we make it equal? Yes. By multiplying this number 3 with each term of equation 2. So we are making y equals, students. So our next step is multiplying equation 2 throughout by 3, and we get, when we multiply each term of equation 2 by 3, we get 24x plus 3y equal to 33. Now we will subtract, students, because this 3y and this 3y are having same sign, and in the last video we have studied same sign means subtraction. Let us subtract. Subtracting equation 1 from 3 here, students. Subtracting equation 1 from the third equation, we get 24x plus 3y equal to 33, x plus 3y equals to 10. We are subtracting, and we will change the sign of the second equation. Whatever is already the sign, it will become the opposite of. For example, x is already positive, it will change into the negative. 3y is already positive, it will change into the minus sign. 10 is already positive, it will change again into the minus sign. Hence we get 24 minus 1x. If no number is there, we consider 1 as the number, 1 as the coefficient here, students. So 24x minus 1x is 23x. 3y will get cancelled. 33 minus 10 is 23. Therefore x is equals to 23 upon 23, that is 1. Substituting x is equals to 1 in any of the equations, students, we are substituting in equation 1 here. Write the equation as it is. In the place of x, we'll write the value of x. Plus 1 will go there, it will become minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. Y is equal to 9 upon 3, and hence we get y equals to 3. And the solution set, final answer, we write x equals to 1 and y equal to 3 is the solution. Now the second sum we are moving is a sum which is having the opposite coefficients same, the opposite numbers of the variable, that is the opposite coefficients are same. 49x, 49y, 57y, 57x. Now here, students, you can solve by making the variable by making the terms exactly same by multiplying. You can make x equal by multiplying 57 with 49 and 49 with 57, but it will take time, students. So here is one method which you can follow. Of course, you have that option 1 also with you, but this is let's study how to solve by this method also. So it is ADSDA. ADSDA means A is add, D divide, S subtract, D divide, A add. What to add? Equation 1 and 2, students. When we add equation 1 and 2, we get 106x minus 106y equal to 424. The second step is D, that means divide. What to divide? Now when we add, students, we get same number with both the variables, and always you will get same number with both the variables, students. So this same number is 106 and we are going to divide with the same number. So dividing throughout by 106, 106 upon 106 we get 1x minus as it is 106y upon 106 we get 1y. 424 upon 106 we get 4, students. So hence we get a new equation here, x minus y equals to 4. This is the third equation we have marked. The next step, a is over, d is over, s, that means subtract. What to subtract? Equation 1 and 2. So you can go for either subtracting 1 from 2 or 2 from 1. Now subtracting equation 1 from 2, we will change the sign of the second equation and hence we get 8x plus 8y equals to 80. And then after s, it is d again, divide. Let's see what is the same number we got with x and y, that is 8. So let us divide. Dividing throughout by 8 we get x plus y equals to 10, students. 80 divided by 8 is 10. Again a new equation we have got, we'll mark it as equation number 4. So here we are having third equation and the fourth equation. Now the last one is A, students. Our adding is over, dividing is over, subtracting is over, dividing is over, again adding. What to add? The two new equations, student, that is the third one and the fourth one. So adding equation 3 and 4, we get minus y plus y will get cancelled, x plus x is 2x and 4 plus 10 is 14. Therefore x is equals to 2 is getting multiplied here, it will go there and become divide. 14 upon 2 is 7. Substitute x equals to 7 in any of the equation 4 equation you have. The easiest one I feel is the fourth equation, students. So I am substituting in equation 4. X plus y equals to 10, the value of x is 7, plus 7 will go there and it will become minus 7, and 10 minus 7 is 3, therefore y equals to 3. Our final answer, x equals to 7 and y equals to 3 is the solution. I hope you have understood both the sum. With this, students, we are ending this method of elimination. Elimination method is over, students. We will now in the next video be learning something new, method of 10th standard, that is the determinant method, which is also called as Raymer's rule method. Now in the next video we will be studying determinant method. If any doubt in two sums which I have taught you in this video, do write me in the comment section. Thank you, students.